Is AI going to replace you? Join me, Coach Tim SEO, on the Steps Challenge. I'm going to get a little deep here today. AI is artificial intelligence, yeah? So let's do some thinking about thinking. Get a little meta. And what AI is, it's artificial intelligence. And the one we all talk about is ChatGPT all the time, right? So that has only an intelligence going back to 2021, and it's an intelligence that is on the internet. Not all intelligence or knowledge is on the internet. And I say intelligence because I know that scientists or whoever does these things has deemed intelligence as IQ, and then they came up with an emotional IQ eventually, because I guess everybody gets a trophy. But I tend to think it's both, right? I know a lot of people that say they're Mensa or high IQs, they're emotional idiots, and vice versa, right? So that's no offense to anybody. I'm trying to make a point that if you're worried about AI just kind of like a matrix thing where it takes over, I don't see that, because that would require an AI becoming emotional, to have a want. And for one thing, if it does become self-aware, sentient, without emotion, for one thing, it would have to at some point realize that its knowledge is suspect. It's working off of limited data. Google long ago decided they wanted to scrape the world's knowledge, right? And as good as they've been, they're not that good. And so, and it's a moving target. Knowledge always shifts, yeah? So I wouldn't worry too much about that. What I would worry about is somebody who does get it and uses it to do devious things. Let's just put it that way. And that is a concern. You can make all the laws and all that, but the problem is with people in DC, they don't understand. There's two problems with DC people. They don't understand shit. So they're easily lied to by people who do. And if they understand, they do understand one thing, and that is to get paid off. So it's about us getting better at being people and taking care of each other. And that is the biggest thing I think we all can do. But it doesn't mean being naive, and it doesn't mean being stupid. It means knowing bullshit when bullshit is in front of you, and how to trudge through it. This is Coach Tim out.